Today was a tremendous day. We had such an amazing time here with the Minister and the Lord Mayor and Founding Executive Greg Cook.
It's just wonderful having this facility where we have so many wonderful employees and we have all of the doTERRA processes in place where we can actually bring the quality standards of our essential oils to the people of Europe.
So delighted to be here today for the official opening of this wonderful new facility for doTERRA. This is the first such facility of its kind outside of the United States for the company, and we are thrilled that they have chosen Cork.
So this represents a lot of years and dreams of getting more into Europe so we can service our loyal customers, our wellness advocates.
To hear our own Irish scientists to explain that the chemistry, the passion they have for it, it just really brings it home as to how true and how real it is.
We source a lot of our products locally in the region here in Europe and in Africa. So rather than taking all of those to the US to be bottled and processed to then ship to customers here, we've set up this operation here, which is tremendous to be able to reduce that impact.
10 million bottles a year of essential oils being manufactured and produced here with the capacity to double, triple, quadruple even that.
This will be a bright pathway for our loyal customers, our wellness advocates, the employees, our business partners, our farmers, the whole supply chain.
This is the first facility outside of the US, which is huge for Ireland, for jobs, just really showing us how serious doTERRA are, how amazing these products are, and what we're doing really counts.
This will be, I've no doubt, a long-lasting and a really successful partnership between Ireland and doTERRA into the future.